Hey, you're immediately trying to destroy LVM. This tiny dragon, what did it do for you? Well, to you. Did you catch it with 30 HP, huh? Holy. That's like, that's like so lucky, actually. Because, can you show it in the team? It's probably like 10 defense, or 5 defense at least. And with 30 HP, that's probably something around 5% chance, or even less. Where is it? LVM. Level 15? Holy. Third. Not only it's rare to spawn with this, with those stats, you caught it with 30 HP. This is so lucky. It's like insane. It's like winning a lottery. This is like actually amazing. Oh, is my microphone off? There we go. Yeah, so you're super lucky. And you're back on the first place. The fight continues. At least there is a motivation for you to catch plushes now. So yeah, I can I can do some Orco stuff while Nursel is replying to me. So we're gonna be multitasking a little here. Because I really need to rewrite Rust C entirely. I don't even remember what was the problem. Also, I should probably pull up Steam. I don't even know if it's gonna work. And yeah, no music because CTL. Also, oh right, that's supposed to be paused. My second YouTube channel is growing like rapidly. 38 subscribers in 28 days. Like, what? And yet we're below 100 hours of watch time. We're on 78. We're actually getting closer. I really wish my main channel was growing. But I guess I gotta make videos for that. And that's tough. Category changed by me. Yeah, I know. Because it's supposed to be close to light. I'm waiting for Nursel to respond. And Nursel just went offline. Great. But yeah. While Team's updating and we're waiting, I can sometimes just take a look at this. No need to change category. I just want to see what I'm gonna change. Assert the Q category triple equals category. Oh my god. Is there actually an assert module? Is it built? It's probably not built in. You probably have a library and npm package for asserts. Wait, also assert. This does not make sense. This does not make sense. Why? Why do you have assert.eq and then you pass a boolean into this? Dude. Even Rust doesn't work like that. Although Rust could like... Actually no, Rust couldn't probably not. Asserted an object. It doesn't matter, you're passing a boolean to a method. So no need for it to be called a queue. This is not Rust. This is not the greatest language of all time. I'm supposed to click this. I really wish my left click worked. Would have been nice. So assert.ok. No, that's also where's Steam? Steam's supposed to launch at this point already. Oh, there it is. There it was. It's like bottles. It's GTK UI. Also, I replaced my left click. So I crack opened my mouse buttons. Like not just the mouse itself, the buttons. There's like a copper plate in there. Or maybe it's not copper, but it looks like copper. So I crack opened buttons from my other mouse, and in order to not resolder them, I just swapped the plates. It's like flexible and it's clicky. Three-seater grammar for relying, because we're lazy to write a parser. Dude, just make a simple recursive descent parser. It's so easy, actually. Like, you don't even need a Lexer for that. You just write it. Well, actually, I haven't tried that, so... I will. I will. I'm supposed to scan it with Steam app. Fortunately, I got my camera fixed. Because after I upgraded to Android 16, initially my camera didn't work. As it goes with custom ROMs. Then you don't get syntax highlighting as well. Well, you just need to write it. But like, using 3-seater as a regular parser is a horrible idea. Where is Steam? Do we even have... Oh, here it is. Parser bindings in 10 plus languages. Yeah, but like... I mean, with Zorko you can write bindings easily. With a blink of an eye. Go away. Add authenticator. Do I have to add an authenticator? Do I have to add an authenticator now? And my phone number. We sent a link. Next we'll send a code to the number you entered. Huh. That's gonna be annoying to go through. Now at least this mail service works. A request to add a phone number. Add your phone number, sure. Go ahead. No. This account already has Steam Guard enabled. Move was in. Oh! Oh no. I cannot move the... Because of an upgrade I cannot move the device. Because it's thinking I've got another phone now. But like I moved data as well. So annoying. Add phone number. This is the wrong link. And the new one. This is a new one. The link you clicked has expired. Try again. They get locked out of Steam again. Delete those emails. Enter your phone number. No, confirm this by clicking a link in your email. Click the link in the email. So I did. This account already has Steam Guard. Move it. Because... And then an error occurred. Okay, let's use the older way of doing this. Um, it's still showing me this. I don't have access to this device. Oh, I remember last time I got locked out of Steam. Enter a code instead. I don't think I have the code. That's the problem. Oh, I'm supposed to scroll down. Where am I? No. Yes. Yeah, no. Click this. This doesn't work. Help, I have no longer. I do not have access any longer. Due to the lost SIM card mobile authenticator, and enter your email address. Wait, I don't even remember my email address. The one that I use for Steam, because Gmail for some reason blocks Steam emails. I don't even know how I managed to transfer it. Okay, sure. Enter your email address. Please drag the element to the right one that most similar. This. This is a unique captcha. H captcha. Text account verification code to my phone number ending in empty. My phone number ends in nothing. Do I really not have a phone number registered? I don't have it. Guys, I'm locked out of my Steam account now again. I guess I could turn on the music as well. Because we're not getting close to live music for now. Why do I not hear it? I don't have it. Email. Okay, email it. I have access to my email at least. Oh, my messaging app is looking empty because of the migration. Okay. Email is actually the most secure because you can intercept SMS messages with SS7 access, I'm pretty sure. Please click to recover the Steam login credentials. Resume recovery. And it's gonna open in my Steam app if I want it. Actually, no, it doesn't. What is blocking me from signing? Remove Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator. Enter your Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator recovery code. Where do I get that? Okay, maybe it is somewhere. Hold on. Yeah. Let me move this. New close to light load screen looks just like my wallpaper. Yeah, you also have the Rust icon here. Okay, so let me see. Now I'm gonna not leak this screen as opposed to everything. Made in Rust, exactly. It's been, Rust is now soft. It's just, it's the new update, I guess. Okay, so I go here. You know what? I'm gonna do. How do I do this? I'm gonna enter bash in order to not leak my history or anything. Because that's gonna be more secure. Well, I got a lot of tokens here. GitHub, GitLab. None of them are from Steam. Well, that's a problem. Oh, wait, it might have been in my notes, which I have nuked. I don't have it. Let's see. Okay, let's get back. Current email address. This one. This is like an extra one. I have a bunch of email addresses actually. Plastic Glass. Hi, Kuko. While DaVinci Resolve appeared. Also I do not need this anymore. What is the username of the account you're trying to recover? I'm pretty sure it's this. What was the first email address used in your account? Yes, it's a different one, and I'm pretty sure it's this. Because I didn't have my domain before. Provide a phone number. I might have not added it, which is a problem. Although I was pretty sure. How have I purchased games? Ooh, I can add a credit card. Fortunately, I remember it exactly. All my credit card credentials by heart. Well, almost all. Rust received HXP. Go to level 10. Little Fox. Where's Little Fox? Where is the Fox? What? Okay, can I scroll over? The Digital got defeated. Rust got to level 10. Cage. Punch Rust. Kuko's angry at Rust now. Flashy Little Fox, Punch Rust, 8 Wars, Punch Rust. Where's your Fox? I don't think you renamed the Fox. Oh wait, oh, the overlay might be broken. Yeah, the overlay is broken. Why is it broken? Also, let me fix the music. Where is the music? The music is here. Huh. Cannot call the method create timer on the null value. Guys, good job. Okay, so we're not in a tree while trying to time out a move. Oh. That would explain it. If we're not in a tree though. Move perform. Oh wait, there is a screen. Where's the timeout function? Timeout is in here. I think you just did it too quickly. So I guess... What is return true, return false? I need to return true. So if get3 is null, return true. Restart. Okay, so what was I filling in? My credit card info. Here. Anything else I should know about this? No. I'm gonna have to wait for the people to read this message. Context. Please provide details. I upgraded to Android 16 and transferred using apparently I lost my Steam card somehow in the process. I'm a human. Also, the overlay did not start. Why is the restart button not restarted but stop it instead, huh? Like actually. Reload the played main scene. Users Godot. Numlock. Hold austerize. Austerize this. There you go. You did not rename it. User on command. Okay, YouTube chat goes here, Steam goes here. Send. Confirm your email address. Dude, this is just, this Steam system is so complicated, yet it's still somehow like possible to fix any issue. Okay, so where's the email? This email. This code. Copy. But like, recovery code. Well, that's like annoying thing to lose. Guess I should have saved it in somewhere. Steam support. Your help request. I forgot my password. No, I didn't! I didn't forget my password. It's the 2FA that's getting me. Why can't 2FA just always be email? Although, to be honest, I would like SMS verification more. But still, that's technically less secure. You can still try resetting it. That turned into an endeavor. Add phone number. Then move authenticator, and it's gonna error out. Gabe, why did you do this to me? Like, the thing is, I'm still logged in here. Happy peak anniversary. 1 year of peak and a small Caesar. Account details. Security and devices. Move authenticator. I guess I lost access to it. Help, I lost my authenticator. Post removal will not be able to sell or trade. I don't care about that. Of course, your mobile device. I have my mobile device, just not the old one. Technically. No, I don't. MDA, exactly, I don't have recovery code either. It's just it doesn't see my phone number. For some reason either. It's just empty. This is just so annoying. Why can't we just sign in with Google? Or the authenticator app? It's like the classic one. Expired. Use backup code. Why wouldn't it use Google's authenticator? At least. Well, I guess while I'm locked out and Nursel is not yet has not yet answered, we can do some work. To phone ending it and entirety of my phone number here. With C7 access you can actually theoretically probably get access to the entire entirety of person's accounts if you're careful, because Google is not detecting you. Probably need to replace Google by something, like in this sense. Although Google is the only email provider who allows for custom SMTP or STMP, I don't remember, for custom mail to be sent from. Okay, whatever. I'll just hope I will not forget to check on my. Your help request has been received by Steam support. Steam support received this is an automated email. Okay. Can we remove that? Okay. Well, I guess whatever. Anyway, I guess we'll switch to software and game development for a moment or a few. For the time being, okay, so why is Rust LSP, Rust Analyzer not happy with me? Which, the explosion? Trust me, it's gonna happen one day. One day, in 10 years, checking it might be fixed. Okay, like seriously, I wanna rewrite the engine, and that's gonna make it work. I also. Ooh, Minix. This is a plush that has been added in last pull request. And Cook was immediately working on it. No, we were actually okay with Fox, I think. 2 or 3 hits. Well, 1 or 2 more hits and you would be able to catch it. Although with Arch you can probably do that too. It's just gonna take a little longer. For some reason it doesn't wanna... Why does it not want to punch? Do you have the space? Is there like a remainder of a plushie somewhere on the screen? Yeah, I guess there's just a remainder of the plushie somewhere on the screen. Okay, be careful. 80. That's probably your best bet. It's limited to 1 catch per second. I'm pretty sure. It's 8 HP. Yeah, you just gotta spam it. You'll catch it surely. There you go. Now you're back. Now you're tied again. No. This war never ends. You know, it's good. You know, competition is good. This is fine. Competition is good. Yeah. Also, bash tech. First bash tech is not fixed yet. But yeah, that does not mean you can redeem it as much as possible. It's still capped at 3. So yeah, I really want to add rarity systems and stuff. So nerd soul, what am I gonna do? Can you give me a wasm build? Because I may have messed up with Steam a little bit. Hopefully I will get my account back. I mean, it's probably gonna happen, right? I recovered from not being able to receive emails without phone number. Like, surely I can get... surely I can get it. No. Like, now I have access to email. Steam demo for Close to Light is now available. Wishlist is now available to play. Holy, that's a lot. Let's get rusty, let's get rusty, let's get rusty, let's get rusty, let's get rusty. Go away. Doesn't work with double time, you give up. I mean, you can just send me a Linux build. That's okay. I trust you enough to execute arbitrary code. Okay, unsubscribe from Let's Get Rusty because that's too many emails. This is like my email address that only has Steam and Let's Get Rusty, and I just get spam to inject the malware. Yeah, you realize that you're gonna lose a beta tester this way. It's not JSON, and it's not backups either. Wait, no, actually it is JSON. It's not plushie backups, and it's also backed up on GitHub. Nigel wanna get first again. Nigel, you're gonna have to be challenged. Like, type your plushie decks. By the way, the plushie Cuckoo just got was Minix. It wasn't you. 25 out of 212. I mean, you could have done better. Bigger than 10 megabytes. The dance around. Your contact information, safe contact information, your subscriptions. Meh. Everything disabled. Like, instead of deleting my Let's Get Rusty account, I just disable subscriptions. And yet, like, keeping the any emails. How many players does Nigel have in his team? I don't know. Probably not as many as yours. LF. Level 32. Linux doesn't. Oh, you zipped it! I'm gonna need to add the assets manually. This is a suspicious file. Right here, okay, can I? Ooh. 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 Wow. That is a set of directories that I have. Nothing suspicious going on. Where do I get the assets though? Downloads. I should probably clean up my download. Actually, no, I did do it recently. For some reason, F12 doesn't work. TT panel again. Actually, note. I can just do this. Yazi, GD, game jar. This is one of my one of random files from my Google Drive. I have no idea what's in there. Actually, I do, because it was in the directory named logicsim.jar or logicsim.jar. Wait, just the directory logicsim game.jar. But I am not able to run it because JavaFX. Oh. Actually, I might. How do this? That. Local share Steam, I guess here. Might be here somewhere. Need to be careful to not leak stuff. Where can this be? Java? Yeah, I was writing a lot of Java back in the day. Local Steam apps, common. Wait, where is it? Tenfu, Ubuntu, don't have Steam apps. It's local share, Steam apps. Huh? I mean, I'm pretty sure I should have it somewhere. Legacy Compat, graphics. I don't think I deleted that. Steam games. Yeah, maybe no, I don't. Runtime, Steam UI, Tenfoot. Oh, weird, honestly. Like I only deleted the files in home directory, the .steam stuff and stuff. So yeah, I don't think I have those. Might have been nuked by Steam. Although to be honest, I was pretty sure I had it there. Right. Oh, right, generics. So we need a declaration and an implementation. And every time a trait is implemented, Google Drive, LOL. Why did it? Why did it? Full screen or unfull screen rather. Assets. Now I can take a look at assets. Oh, let's save this. Save. Download. It's too big. And they couldn't have checked it for viruses. Did I unpack this? I think I did. Yeah, and I also decided to sneak more malware in there. Okay, so I guess do I just run this? Editor.run. Editor config. Let me modify stuff here. Ooh. Arrows and stuff. Discord. You draw a smiley face on top of it. Ooh, shaders. Anyway. Here. Oh, right. Don't worry about that. NixOS, as always. There we go. Classic Nix. I actually Steam pages is just okay. I guess I can stop this and change the category now again, because why not? Offline. Okay, so you're saying we have Prax is good here. Half time and double time. Why is the score? Wait, why is the score not changing? Oh, because you're supposed to. .35. Dude. Okay, so this is loud. Why is no fail 0.8 and halftime is 0.35? I mean, I guess fair. So what do I start with? I guess let's try halftime on this. So balance, you just copy those two. This is so funny. Is the bar also slowed down? I mean, it's supposed to, I guess. Right, slightly changed also. Oh, actually, yeah. Or boot it either way. Actually, yeah, no, this is gonna give me a lot of pressure. For this section, I don't know. I cannot read chat in real life. Slow it down. Oh, my keyboard is... I'm almost dead. I died. Wow, the end screens are just stopping. Also, was there a click? Did I hear a click? Shaking and didn't have them. It's too slow! Okay, let me try double time on it. What's it gonna be? Whoa. Double time does not. This feels like triple or something. Holy. And I know this is the level itself is but whoa. What is the modifier? I feel like it should be 2. I feel like it should be double. Holy. 1.5 times faster. 1.10, this should be double. Also, what is this thing? Oh, because it's already like preparing for the next circle. I guess that's something you could change. I don't know. Oh. The fact that the bar is faster is also like making much more difficult. I don't know if I can beat this, but we'll see. Imagine Shaw on this, more close to collapse. Yeah, that's impossible. Can I stack them? Oh wait, I cannot stack modifiers. I cannot stack half time and double time, nah. But yeah, I guess I could try with the half time again here. Also, I think I'm playing on a much higher sensitivity than normal. Actually, no. Sensitivity doesn't change here much. I changed my sensitivity in Minecraft back up after I got destroyed by a PvP pro. He beat me with a wooden sword. With a sharpness 1 wooden sword. Twice. Well, I had a sharpness 5, another right one, I'm pretty sure. Like, if you're gonna ask me why there was no stream for this, it's because I'm bad at PvP. I don't want you to see this. Actually, this is pretty cool. I could train a bit here. Train my timing as in how linear it is. The linearity. Although I guess I feel like linearity might be a little bit weak. I don't know where to go through. Pretty cool. Although my hand is so tired. I feel like it's sped up, huh? Actually, maybe this part of the level does speed up. I mean the music. Whoa, 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 whoa! No! Bro! How did I mess it up? How did I mess this up? Not like this. Not like this. Yeah. I can probably beat hard with this. Now. Ooh, tunnel vision's here. I have hard. I have C on hard, huh? Wait, what? Why do I have C on hard? Oh, because we have no fail. Close to collapse and double time. Yeah, of course. But I'm not gonna survive this. I'm just gonna have a panic attack watching it. Half time. How far do you think I can go? This does not feel slowed down. This does not feel slowed down, like at all. Actually, no, it is. But like, well, you can see me play. Actually, linear instead of jumps is better. We'll continue to. Oh my god. Is this something? I'm not used to seeing this in slow-mo. Is that how you see it when playing? This is how you see it when playing. Right. Maybe it will change somehow. Whoa. This does not feel slowed down. How are you playing this like on normal speed, dude? Like I should have died multiple times here. I have no idea how you're playing this on normal speed. Like, you gotta be seeing it in slow-mo. You gotta be Neo to beat this level. But this is kinda fun, actually. Being able to beat levels that I wouldn't be able to beat. Usually. Although I would not say that I can probably beat this level. I don't know. We'll see. But like I'm getting much farther for sure. I'm just clicking left. Oh, that's it? Huh? Oh, it's so short. Yeah, I forgot how short it was. I mean, judging from the completion. I completed it! Let's go! I finally completed it! F! I got F! But yeah, it does make it the levels like much harder, much easier. I would prefer this to no fail, to be honest. Because then I can at least see where stuff is going. Was higher score? Oh, really? Yeah, maybe rebalance it, I don't know. I mean, to be honest, half time is really cheap. So the score can be like, oh. But how are you gonna fight with cheating? How are you gonna fight with people just obliterating leaderboards with I don't know, in-game cheats or just OpenCV? Because OpenCV can obliterate this, like, without even looking at it. Validation. Like, what are you gonna validate? Because you can just program it to move the cursor, and you can just add like some variation randomly. Add purling noise to the movements. And linear interpolation. And that's it. You will never detect it. I cannot read chat and play this. Even at half time. Actually seeing those levels in slow-mo is pretty cool. Oh. Whoa. A distracting chat message. This is a message. Come on. I mean, that's a C. Replay validation. Aim booting is OP. Yeah, fair. I mean, like, some people just reset leaderboards. Like, Simon Bruno just resets leaderboards on his portfolio every week. But I guess here, like, really, what's gonna happen, people are gonna fill those leaderboards. Like, anyway, just pro players are gonna fill those leaderboards, you're not gonna be able to see yourself there. So while global leaderboards are okay, and I still don't have ad snoozes, huh? And still... Okay, what else can I play? This. I don't think I'm gonna beat this. I can probably try hard. But I haven't beaten hard. I should probably try double time a few more times. As well. Like, like on rest. Like, what is it gonna look like? It's like Nightcore. I mean, no, it's not quite Nightcore. Whoa. Gotta get Q to test the double time. I'm not skilled enough to play those levels. I mean, the second I might be able to beat this one, but yeah, not much more. Maybe Far From Dark easy. But like the bar is just, it leaves no room for mistakes. You just need to be good at the level. There we go. C. 1741. Is it gonna over... No. How much? 1.1? I mean, 1.1 is... I'd say 1.1 is too low. It's just, I feel like double time is like much harder than 1.1. At least 1.15, like sudden. No, sudden is also pretty low. Hidden is 1.1. Nerd, why? It's gonna be 2. I don't know. Like, you can't play hidden, you can't play sudden. That's why. To play sudden, you just close your eyes. That's it. And then you'll be able to play it. Okay, I don't know. I should probably try more. I should probably try this again. Try it in a hard diff. I mean, like, if you can play hidden, you can play sudden. Just by closing your eyes. No? Because it's all visual changes, and visual changes do not matter if you just close your eyes. But to actually memorize the level. But like either way, those scores are way too low. Maybe changing telegraph delay would be a nice feature to have. I already said that before. This part is gonna be difficult. I like this part. It looks cool. I died. Since they don't use the song pitch, well they could. Should they? I see. Whoa, lags. I'm just gonna play a bunch of hard levels with this. And then I'm gonna return to normal and just beat them all. No, I die immediately here. Like, what am I doing wrong? I mean, I know why, but I feel like that's unbalanced. And you can step off the light and come back just fine. But for missing like quarter of a second, I feel like that's... Red is too OP. Red is way too OP. I'm not reading chat, by the way. No. You cannot distract me. What is this? I'm trying to read chat, but I cannot because there's context and I cannot move my cursor to scroll up. This message requires context. Or does. I have cogent context, can I give you this? To understand the message? And I have canvas context to D. Is it gonna work? Is it gonna be sufficient? Whoa, this was... How am I supposed to read this out of context? Out of context. Okay, so scroll up. When you're listening to music at work via MPV, you always pitch correction off. Why would you listen to music without at like 2 times the speed? You buffed red lights. Way too much. Emo. Emo. Is the most popular speed increase feature on YouTube where it does correct pitch. Yeah. Do question mark. Do you often listen to music sped up? So you be twitching? What context? No context. It's fun. Suddenly make nightcore and slowed down versions of slow songs and all in your hands. Do you have just a shortcut to nightcore any song in in there? Also, just enable nightcore in here. Make this nightcore instead of whatever it is. What is 1.44 or I don't remember, 1.22 or something. Nightcore speed. 25 to 35. Oh, there is no constant set. 20 to 30. I guess by approximately 35. I guess it varies. Spam detected. This a few times or this a few times. Another spam detected. I hope those are actual spam messages. Actually, I can check. Yeah. Those usernames do not look like spam usernames, actually. Like, they finally figured out. Yeah, so what did the person say? Yeah, I can see in my chat because it doesn't delete messages, also I can select things. So yeah, what can I also show? Can I show easy on double time? I do not think... Practice... Oh right, I wanted to also practice mode. Ooh. Whoa. Whoa. What is the section I was struggling on? Somewhere, a little wider, I think. Oh, I don't remember. Maybe before this. I guess, it was finished. But I mean, this UI, to be honest, that's probably the best you can do. I can't imagine a UI better than this to do it. Whoa! Okay, no. Not the double time version. But I can practice with half time, wait. Negative selections, that's the only thing. You just can't drag the other selection. Yeah, that would be useful. Wait, why is it good. Oh, that's it. But I mean, yeah, so that works. Where is that section from show? Half time, wait, where is it? It's difficult to see, because it feels too quick. If only I could audio scrub in here. There's audio scrubbing. I don't remember those sections. Why did it start all this? They exited. Also this. Could probably move the preview. Just for a good measure to the end. Can you restart practice session? Holy, this is difficult. Let me get something shorter. Also something to snap you to like the start and the end of the action. Restart. Will it restart me from the same point? Yeah. Also probably something to restart much quicker, because this while the UI pops up, it's gonna take a while. So like here, if I could just button press immediately. Actually, that might be from the modifier. And like again here, oh wait, that's not the practice mode. Here, so it starts on this, and this light immediately travels left and then right. So yeah, here, S+! Holy! S+! No, give me this. Give me this right. So yeah, it would be nice if it would snap to like action begin end. Like, what do you have in your editor? So whenever light like reaches the destination, not one tick away from this point, so it's gonna mess stuff up. It snaps to whole beat. I mean, I guess it makes sense. So yeah, that, I guess. National Police Show. Do you think I can double time easy? I do not. I don't know. I just don't know. Holy. This is a completely different level. No. This is amazing. How am I not losing life? This is cool. Look at the score! How it goes up so quickly. Oh, this is gonna be the difficult part. Actually, no, not really. It's like, this just looks cool. Oh, my favorite section. Somehow I still have muscle memory for all that. Oh, I was so close to dying here. But like, I feel like the bar like almost never went down. Let's just see. But that was pretty cool, I feel like. I feel like I can be on that. Or A. Now it's C. With the double time. Can you make it so that the letters shown here will never go lower? Actually no, this is the old one. But still. Well, this level's pretty forgiving. Because it looks cool. I don't think I can beat this with on double time. I don't remember, to be honest, though. Oh, this is gonna be difficult. I love this level. Suppose just it's my favorite. The entire game, probably. Might be because it's so forgiving. Although some sections are difficult. And yeah, double time. It's just you just die out of nowhere in this game. To be honest, sometimes. Let me give it a try to close to collapse on normal. With the critical. I wanna see what this looks like on double time. Actually, maybe I'll try. You know. Double time, no fail. This is difficult. This is difficult. You really can't do double time. No, maybe. I'm gonna look. Watch. I'm gonna beat it first try. Yeah. Like this looks already insane. You don't. The bars in it start. They just snap. How far do you think I can go? Not far. In before the intro. Call this. That doesn't count. It's just I wasn't ready. The timing somewhere though. My timing somewhere though. Holy. Yeah, so red is too OP. Red is too OP. Just get rid of it. Like, on double time, touching red for a split second is just... You're dead. You like it? This is something you like it? We're just gonna see a speedrun of this like in 2 days. As smooth as possible is best. Oh, whoa. This is difficult. I can probably get like somewhat far in this if I practice enough. But like, dude, I just die out of nowhere. But actually I do like it too. I can't beat it, but I like it. Can probably beat some easy levels on double time. Probably gonna be fun. But yeah, no, so this circle at the start. Do you adjust how far telegraphs look based on the speed? Because like at the start of the level I can see the telegraph immediately. I don't know if it's intentional. But it kind of looks weird. And I'm not looking at the chat. I'm looking at the chat. 1 bit ahead always. This is what the level is. So like look, this thing. I don't remember it being here. Maybe just gotta push the start a little bit away. Like add 10th of a second of silence in the start, you know. Or just don't show it. Don't show the telegraphs. Holy. This is difficult. It's because the fade in time is like 1.5 beats. You can see it. I don't know. What can I beat? What can I beat on double time? Out of this. Close to collapse, surely. Oh, this one's gonna be annoying. Actually, maybe no, it's a little small movement. Whoa. This is difficult. Oh, that's what I wanted this for. I did it on no fail. On half time. Hard immediately? Why did they not play normal? Why did they not beat normal a single time? Or was it normal just not there? Also, why is it lagging like crazy? At the start, like it's freezing for a second. I was intentionally avoiding playing tunnel vision for some reason. Scary. Honestly, this like feels like a regular level, not a halftime war. Makes me appreciate those red lights you've put in. I feel like I could be this like on normal. Ooh, the lasers. I'm not reading chat, no. Okay, so halftime and double time was very worth it. Funky section you like. So yeah, B. No, double times this. Imagine this level on double time. Like it's hard enough. Okay, well, I want to play normal on normal time. So yeah, I wanted to also tell a story of how I yesterday I decided. This one is rough, yeah. Yesterday I decided to hop on MCCI and play some parkour because I was like tired after watching Michael Jackson movie. Just so happened to happen, you know. And I spent 20 minutes beating everything but the ending, and then I spent 40 minutes on the hard ending, and I got my first round with 21 medals, which is like maximum you can get, because the hard ending. 4 Neos in a row from a trapdoor that's like the shorter side of the trapdoor. It's tiring to watch now. No, it's not tiring to watch. I'm just very weak in that regard. Like you will not, if you watch it, you will not see anything that could have made you tired. Probably, it's just me being weird. So yeah. Anyway, um, so yeah, from the short side of the trapdoor, you just one block Neo down to the block that's like a block lower, 4 times in a row. This took me 40 minutes, but then I beat it. Yay! And I actually found a pattern to do it quickly. Um, and then I decided to randomly go on an adventure to the Twilight game. Some random Twilight game appeared there, which turned into another 1 hour of PvE and like 30 waves, and it was actually super fun. And I was like, wow, I got to try this again at some point. So I might actually stream. I might actually stream some of this at some point one day, just randomly out of nowhere. But I really did like it. It's like a team-based what do you call it? PvE. I don't know. I'm not reading chat. Infinite SMP1. Okay, so yeah, nah, it's gonna happen. My friend is already trying to get me working on it, but no, I said I'm gonna finish other work first before I come back. And also I have a bunch of other SMPs to participate in. Including CTL, also, which is gonna start in a few weeks, I think. Not sure it's gonna start in a few weeks. Which I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna stream that, but I might. I will probably stream CTL because I want to make YouTube videos too, and I have plans for that. Okay, red is too OP. Nerf red back down. It's like one hit you're dead. Whoa. I could have beaten this if I didn't mess up. Yeah, anyway, hard on normal F. My B was cleaner. Okay, Nerson, just make this be a real letter. Actually, no. Actually, it makes sense. But like, when I had B in here, with the modifier sorted by score, yeah, I know. But like, I don't know. I feel like having a brighter letter here is nicer. This is halftime, right? Oh my gosh, so this does not feel halftime. I just didn't enable it. I don't think. Oh, my rhythm was 85%. It's not halftime. That was way too quick. Scary, spooky. Mouse teleporting. Stop. Need to get a new battery, I guess. I'm dying. Like, there's no time to recharge in here. Actually, no, there is. Oh. This is difficult. This is too difficult. Ah, my hands. Watch my 100% accuracy. Now it's 66 already. And it's probably worse now. This is... Huh? Get absorbed. Huh. Like, how? How? How am I getting absorbed so quickly? Is it the red somewhere just obliterating me? Experimenting with vessel mode. You get absorb light. It didn't really work. I'm too sleepy. My hand hurts. Like, I don't know how you're supposed to beat it at one time. I I die out of nowhere. It's anxiety scene. Horror level. This is the horror level. Oh gosh, I'm tired. Yes, you did. That was difficult. Second OST for CTL get collapsed. I'm tired. Let me sleep. I'm so tired for some reason right now. Yeah. Double time. No, that section is easy. And like, every day I'm just training. Well, every time I launch close to light, I'm training. Oh, whoa. Every time I launch close to light, I'm training. Really shape. Yeah, I got past it like multiple times before. Just not consistently. Oh, this is too difficult. I think it's reinterpretation of tunnel vision as child in Dark Haunted House. Wanna get an A somewhere. Or even an S. Maybe an A. Do you think I can get an S in show? You have any S? No, I don't have any. Pixel Perfect Polka, eh? Change something. Surprised how I got much better at this part. By doing absolutely nothing. Oh, my favorite section. That's a loot. I just love this level. Yeah, I think I tried getting S on rest. Or A. I actually tried getting A on rest. I don't have any A's. Or what was the achievement for? Ooh, I was so close there. Achievement is A for effort. So yeah, no, tried. I tried. I tried hard, but like A is too hard. I can probably get an A here if we just try hard enough. What is the accuracy or rhythm? And which is which? I don't remember. Like which one is what? By the way, does getting A rank in a slowed down version count? Well, will it? I don't think that's an A. I don't think that's close to an A. It's like it's literally impossible to get an A. A is 90% rhythm, which used to be called accuracy. Oh, it's rhythm and precision, right? 85, but like I just can't get past 85. It's intriguing. It's kind of like accessibility mode in Celeste. What is the accessibility mode in Celeste? By the way, um, oh yeah, I don't know if it should. I feel like on slow mode it's much easier to get much better accuracy. But yeah, I should probably play Celeste. I wanna buy Celeste and play it on stream at some point. Maybe not on stream, I don't know. But I really wanna play Celeste at some point. Just a thing. Yes, you should play Celeste. How much did it cost? Although I will not be able to play it now because I don't have access to my Steam account. I'm pretty sure it was like somewhat expensive, but in realm of cash. I bought Peak for like $2. I can probably get Celeste for like about the same, maybe 4 on a what is it called? On a sale. Steam. You can turn on multiple infinite jumps. Alright, dash and visibility and stuff like that. Oh, I need this. And the plushes are here. Sorry. This is just in time. $9.99. $9.99 is expensive. Rift. What is Rift? Oh, those are games. They're games, huh? Bundles. Contents for this game. Soundtrack 5. Yeah, $10 is a lot. This is as much as I pay for a domain name. When is the Steam a sale. There are supposed to be sales in summer. Starts June 25th. 5 days. By the way, tomorrow is Solstice Day. For me, at least. I don't know how it's region based. Yeah, I might just buy it. Summer sale 2026, 25th of June to 9th of July. So yeah, I might just buy it and play it on stream. I have a lot of plans for streams, but we'll see what I can actually accomplish. But yeah, I think I'm gonna be coming back to do some programming today. The double time is really fun, and half time as well for levels I can be. Ooh, errors. Failed to set Discord rich presence. Nerdcell. Why does this not work? Warning. Loading local scores for level hash failed. No such file or directory. Something's broken or so. Whoa. Oh, it's the same thing. Hash is empty. We can take a look at those errors. Fail to connect to Steam. We cannot connect to Steam, and Steam is probably isn't running. Looking better than AAA games? Yeah, exactly. Because AAA games don't want you to find the secrets out. How do we have like actual 10 viewers right now? So where? Yeah, those two things cannot be found in the same place, in the same universe at the same timestamp. Did this change? Alright. Some some or stuff done. Linux underscore one. Yeah. Thank you for letting me have access to those features. So generics, right? Declaration definitions. I need to split those up. The only log you see from AAA games are when they crash your graphics driver. Yeah, Minecraft as well. Pushing a flashlight and spotlight modifiers. What are those? But yeah, I will be up for that. I wanna stream more, but I'm just busy because I need to sometimes just work to get some money. Because I wanna buy RAM. Not the kind of RAM you would put in your computer, the kind of RAM I would put in my computer, which is 8 megabytes of static RAM raw that's solderable by hand. No, random access mayhem. So yeah, I need to order RAM, but I don't know which one is best because I found like let me take a look. Where's the here? I found this model. If we can just pull out the browser, this it's PS RAM, which is perfectly okay which is DRAM, like SDRAM, whatever. Alright, I don't have access to this. AliExpress. So that thing exists on AliExpress. This is taking forever to load. Huh? That's weird. But I mean, yeah, I guess it doesn't really matter. See, it's very cheap, and the delivery apparently is also cheap. But it's you need to lock addresses in 2 steps, which is annoying. And I would rather just have single 20 address lines. So that's gonna be um 2048 by K by 16, I think. Wait, no, that's too little. Wait, no. Yeah, right. That's exactly it. And so I would duplicate. So I would get 2 chips to be by 32, but that's just So there are just none of the regular. So PS RAM apparently does not come with a full parallel interface, like never. Only some complex things, because you in PS RAM you like pretty much have to have a controller or something. And then why wouldn't you save on pins by just having them? Um, and so, yeah. And so only options that are true parallel address lines are just regular SRAM or NVRAM. I could not find any NVRAM to buy this capacity. So regular SRAM is just expensive, and it doesn't come in sizes I want. Or it comes in like the packaging that's like balls under the chip, which I do not want to solder. While I probably would be able to if I tried hard. Like, dude, I'm gonna have to make a breakout board for that. And like, I'm gonna have to etch it myself. No, I'm not doing that fun stuff. That kind of funny stuff. I already soldered like 2QFP on handmade PCBs. I mean, it's not bad, but without a mask, it's just without solder mask, it's just annoying. Anyway, why am I bragging about this? What am I supposed to be doing? Generics, macros, right. Declarations, definitions. So I need to split them up. Traits go to declarations. Some function default trait functions go to definitions, I guess. Huh? I don't know. Hmm. I guess, yeah. Uh, so next up, we're gonna do. So next up, I will do what? Right. Trade go to declarations. Or I guess, yeah, trade definitions. Then impulse for any generic types should be definitions, but trait impulse can be either in the same crate or in the crate defined for the trait, in which case it gets insanely complex. Generics are annoying to deal with because you cannot name them properly. I guess I could split impulse into like separate generics, do like separate macros to call. And that's just gonna be much easier. But at the same time, wouldn't it be annoying? Actually, can I just split methods? Can I just split methods? I know. I don't know. Let's do something. So here we have function. Right. Rub generics. No, not very nice to use. But I guess whatever. So let's extract the name, and rub generics also modifies the name. I need a second function that's just gonna say like that's just gonna make name modifier string. So I don't have to pass the key in. Because the key is only used. Also key. Because key is also used for generics. But yeah, where's the declare pass? Declare pass. Pass. Just gonna declare everything. So when do we declare functions? Like impl functions. I mean, impl functions are just functions, generic impl functions. So if we have an impl block, a generic impl block, ideally I'd separate them. I mean, I guess I could just make functions generic, like in common sense. Somewhat annoying, but whatever. That's gonna make it simpler at least. Right. So here, what we do? Generic function decal is gonna stay a declaration, although I have a code bracket here. This could be an option for C headers. So it's just I wrap generics, I convert all params using types convert, tcx backend type, and map at the end, which is just that, and then wrappers and break. Did I have the snooze option for this one, or did Twitch break completely? So here we declare this for struct. Same thing, but it's a little more ugly. Probably extract this field to a variable. That field. Or I guess let mute fields equals fake. New, I guess need just new for field. Actually with capacity it's fine. Now what do we have? Variant fields. Then Um, because I know this kind of feels nicer than all this collect nonsense. And then sum, instead of sum, I'm just gonna push. Ooh, I have a question mark here. Let's push more parentheses. Now, that. Hi, what's up? So I. Oh wait, I didn't switch the category on YouTube, but whatever. Nor the title. So I was playing a game by Nerdso, which you can find a link to in the description. And now, playtesting some new features. And now I'm just working on my compiler again. Name, map, or is not or. If this is none, or this. What? If the first character is an ASCII. Oh, right, it's if it's a digit, not alpha. So I need it to be none, or if it's sum plus map. So if it's sum, I'm gonna see. I'm gonna do C if C is ASCII digit. Actually, I could just match this. Yes. Match this, so none or sum. Yeah, fair enough. No, so none or sum of C if C is ASCII digit. Or I guess I could just sum of C unless C is ASCII digit. Then I will lose sum of name. Otherwise, none. So it's gonna be shorter. And TY, it looks ugly. I'm looking to format it. So I feel like this looks nicer. IFS function. I was just playing a game by NerdSoul. And now I'm just programming some stuff for my compiler. Option type, right, let's sum. Let else is such a nice feature in Rust. It's like one of the underused, I feel like. I just didn't know about it existing. That's the thing. So yeah, right. So it's a little cleanup. Now, for generics, what issues did we have? What issues did we have? Some trade stuff, probably. Yeah, some trade stuff, because I'm supposed to ignore impulse during declaration if those are trade impulse. Ignore functions during declaration if those are trade impulse. So it's somewhere here in impl items. Here in trade. So it's crashing somehow. Trying to code an undeclared function, core impl clone. Yeah, for define or codegen, we get issues because here the function is not the one. So during codegen, here the name the name here is wrong because it might be impl. I'm wrong. Hey, go to lib. How do I, what is this? This is the wrong lib. How do I steal the name from here? I need a trade function name. Right. Or I guess I go through each implementation and query each function. So like here, if it's a trait impl, then I wait stuff. I need to like process traits somehow separately. Par part trait items. I'm just making a compiler. I don't have to return anything here. No, I do. Why did they hard code it to read out? Yeah, kinda. So what is it gonna output? What is this? Def ID of clone, and clone from. So those are trait items. I need traits themselves. Really, kinda. But I don't think I will iterate through it. I don't think I will iterate through traits themselves. Oh, right, I remember what the issue was. And that's gonna be a tough one to solve. Basically, I need my own trait resolver. Great. So I need to. So for declaration, it's simple enough. We just declare generic functions. For definition, it's complex because we actually need to find the implementation. So it's either in the trait or it's impl trait for interface. And I just need to somehow figure out which one it is. Then choose the correct name. And also while code generating, I'm supposed to invoke all generics. Like figure out all generics. So what do we have currently here? Okay, so those are for declarations, structs themselves. Do I already have a sort? CTL and leave. I remember I made it. Ooh. Ooh, top sort. Ooh, my competitive programming actually like resulted in something. Top sort is the only algorithm I used from it. And I mean, I guess flood fill and like tips for search, breadth for search are useful somewhat, but not really much. Top sort is actually useful for ordering dependencies. So, what do I do here? Cogent create. Uh, let's not worry about traits declared wherever and implemented wherever. Actually, those should still be okay. I just need in definition stage of a function. I need to go through all function definitions um, for a trait. Wait, this could be different. Ah, God. Macros are just colliding. I need something to resolve my traits. Uh, why is Rust so difficult? Why is Rust so difficult? Again. So what do I do with this? Honestly, dealing with the Rust has been pretty annoying. I'm gonna have to do it the same thing with T though. Hopefully it's gonna be easier. So I need... I guess I just drop everything and find trait impulse. What is EII? Second. You're not second. You're actually fourth. Because first just doesn't update the name. Because bad cop. Hey penguin operator. You'll be back immediately. Sign spirit. Okay, so we have submodules, free items, trait items, simple items, foreign items, opaques, by others, tested by this. Delayed lint items, huh? So I'm supposed to... Wait, owners. Where's the owners? Body owners. Add root and then owner ID, owner ID, owner ID, owner ID. Dude. Those are gonna be just then sum into ether. So the thing is, this is gonna have repetition, and we don't want repetition. But I guess I could go through trait items. So I go through traits. What do I declare in lib? I don't even declare clone and copy and stuff. So parallel foreign items, parallel implement items. I skip trait items. So I need parallel trait items as well. F and trade item ID. Yeah. HIR trade item. No, item is a trade item. Within the trade. Back laptop died from battery. Oh, that happened to me at one point. Fortunately, not on stream, but yeah, it was somewhat annoying. Yeah. The Odor 1005. Hey there. Had stream on F11, so you didn't notice. You watch me full screen, huh? I mean, I guess watching close to light is somewhat fun. Programming though, and uh, so how do I get the item itself? I guess kind. I guess I can get rid of that. So it's gonna be trade item kind. You wish it was full screen because code, but mod view takes away lots of screen real estate. I would not be able to watch full screen code. Actually, I do daily. Because sometimes I just need to see it. Internal compiler error has no associated body. Right. So this I'm not one of those people with font size -3. There we go. Oh, was that actually so nice, you know? Read the pen. Whoa. Whoa, this is so cool. What district? That's Nix OS. Yeah, you know what? I can show it. There we go. You can finally see my fast fetch in its entirety. By the way, I'm thinking to migrate to NoteOS, which is NixOS, but it's 45 megabytes and using users run it. But it's probably too raw, at least without my intervention. So I'm pretty sure I had in here. Entire deal with it unreadable. Yeah, but you know what? This is actually somewhat nice. Tiny font. The code is not supposed to be visible. And look, my viewer count is going up. It's about AR malware? Yeah, I heard that. I mean, who didn't, I guess? Oh, I don't have the match here. Where do I have the match? Here. Power items, trade. Wait, I already go through all trade items. What fun! Wild mix. Defeated it. So this font is I don't remember. Does it say here? I don't think it says here. No, it does say here. Deja Vu Sans Mono. So use Deja Vu Sans. I also use like oh, and that's all nerd fonts, of course. I also use some others. I don't remember which. Fira Code was one of my favorites as well, and Commit Mono as well. Archer's dancing. So I don't really need this, I guess. Although parallel trade items would have been nicer here. But for some reason it does not declare USFK. Oh wait, right, because I need to call those functions and macros. What do they... I remember a problem existing. Because, the no associated body. Where is this? Exactly. Did I not remove the... Oh wait, I didn't save. No, that's gonna work. So... Right, I remember. So the problem is with... So the problem is with... what is it? C. Headers lacking any generics. Right. They need to instantiate some of them at least. So, right, anyway, for CodeGen, where is the CodeGen? CodeGen's here. I actually do need input items. I need trait items. Or rather, I need traits. So I need par items, impl of a trait, and there I will request all trait methods, iterate through them and resolve them. Of trait. So I need of trait. Clarity, defaultness. Where is the trait itself? Oh, trait ref. So trait ref. With trait ref, am I able to get all methods? Impl. So I don't need trait here. So this is gonna be if so I need to somewhat clean this up. So I don't like this that it's indented so much, to be honest. Can't do much about it. So that is if impl.trait for trait. Why did the guard not work? Item kind impl. Oh wait, trait is wait no impl. Impl and there is wait what of trait. If impl.of trait is for some reason the guard is this is supposed to be the guard. Could also. Oh, right. Um, item, I guess. Item. Uh, what do they call it here? Oh, I didn't. I didn't. So here. So here I need to go to item. Items. I want to debug this. This is probably not gonna. This is probably not gonna print the items themselves. Yo, hey. So it's just clone. And the rest of them I'm supposed to take from where? From the trade itself. I need to get all trade items. Of trade, trade ref probably the refs to trade or something. Uh, field depth, variant data. Def kind. There is just no trade. There is just actually no trade. Wait, trade is like everything is just packed with data and def, and trade is just raw here out there. And trade ls as well. So I need items. I need to somehow get all trade items. Wait, trades? Yeah, trades. What's wrong? I am implementing trades or trying to. Trades in Rust, not Orco. Yeah. Rust trades and implemented in Orco. His macros and stuff. And generics. Traits are actually just traits are actually just syntactic sugar over generics. And generics are syntactic sugar over macros. And macros are syntactic sugar over over proc macros. Yeah, right, exactly. And proc macros are implemented in Orc, have been for a while, just not tested yet and pretty experimental. So yeah, you'll be able to use traits in your C frontend. Imagine that. Or I guess not C, but C++. I guess C frontend will not be able to. Dependent types. How and with and in what version? Okay, you're asking me. I don't know. Dependent types. Dependent types. Why do you need dependent types? What are dependent types again? Uh, I don't know. I have no idea. C++ X Rust? Yeah, you're gonna be able to call Rust traits. You're gonna be able to implement Rust traits in C++. Just mind blow. Mind blown. But yeah, dependent types. What was the name of that person who was telling me about the dependent types? Well, once they came and when they come and chat again, then I'm gonna talk about this. Because I am not skilled enough in dependent types. But it is a fair assumption that I will probably implement them at some point to support languages which allow them. I forget. So did I. When can you implement Rust types in that language? Whenever Nigel writes a frontend for that language. Yeah, right. Or you can take the job. Nigel, when are you gonna write a frontend for your language? So that your lang can transpile to C. 22.7.0. Okay. Look. rebrand, versioning is changing. Now Orco is gonna be releasing on a year by year basis. So 26.0 is gonna release this year, which means 22.7 is outdated. So yeah, just use 26.0. Captain Marcus, sorry. Okay, that's not gonna happen. Do you really think I'm not gonna iterate 22 actual versions before 2030? 2030 is 4 years. It's just in 4 years. I already spent like 3 years on Orco. Yeah, that's what I thought. All the vulnerabilities inside. Right. How am I supposed to get trait items? CCX trait impl trait ref. Given impl ID, return the trait it implements. Trait item of. So implemented. Ooh, this is the cool one. Trait impulse. I need trait items. Trait depth. Wait. We have a trait depth. What is this? This is emergence AST. It's middle. Oh, this is the treasure. What is this query identity syntax? Rust C has been rewriting for queries for a while. This is all of this is macros, I'm pretty sure. Well, this is one huge macro where all of the queries in the entirety of Rust C are implemented. So in this one file, there's this macro, a proc macro apparently, which implements all queries. Every single thing you can do with Rust compiler is a query, and it's cached. That's the idea. And here, all queries, non-query null or red. Very cool. So yeah, that's the idea. No other language. Do you really think that? That's just that's the compiler feature. The Rust compiler has been rewriting for in query system for a while instead of passes. So yeah, it's somewhat functional. Lazy evaluation and caching and stuff. Yeah, I know. Um, but like, I really feel like some functional languages would just do the same thing. I wouldn't be surprised if a camel in fact does this. Although this is kind of revolutionary, kind of was a revolution by Rust. And there is also a query system in Rust as a crate that's separate from the compiler, which was people thought about implementing it into the compiler, but then like we're nah. Rust C is just the experiment on Rust language, where to bring Rust next and how to improve it. Okay, so what do we have here? So I need the items. I don't see any items actually. I don't see any items here. Wait, what? import trait ref. So we're just gonna get trait ref, trait item of. How do we get the trait info? I need the trait. IR trait ref. I need trait items. It's probably gonna be something stupid again. Maybe I don't need a trait, maybe I just need items of trait. Associated types for input traits and associated defender. Terms of instance. Self bounds. How do you get trait info? Trait. Trait may define associated item. Elaborate of super trait def IDs. Any trait ID. Self-associated items. Dude, this is the query. No way, this is just a query. Told you it's gonna be something stupid. Like simple. So yeah, you get somehow you get middle associated items from Rust C middle. It's assoc items. Wow. So I guess what I need to do, go through all items. Get the name. What is repeated? RPI-TIT. What is RPI-TRT? What's RPI-TIT? So here I get associated items. For item in associated items of so I need of traits. Trait ref. I just need the DID of the trait ref. Trait ref def ID. Res error. Maybe let's sum trait. Right, check that already. We have trait. I guess I could do item of trait, the flat map or something. What's trait? It's not gonna help much. So then I just go through all items. I can create a hash map from name to the item. How do I wish I could resolve like PCX impl um impulse of trait. Impl method has trait impl traits trait types. Impl trait ref, impl super outlives. Impl trait ID. Impl of a sock. If the given def ID is an associated item of an impl, returns the def ID of the impl. Given a crate and a trait, look up all the impulse that trait and that crate. Okay. Trait it implements along with some header information. Hey, Namer. Items on trait corresponding treated item of the impl specified by impl ID. Wait, that's exactly what I need. Isn't it? For example, the following code: struct type, trait, impl trait. So we have impl ID, trait ID, impl f, trait f, impl g, trait g. So I pass in the impl ID, and I can get web return would be trait f, impl f, trait g, impl g. That's exactly what I want. Looking for set fan def ID to the tile. Okay, so I need this. Key. So key is impl. I guess I could do impl. How do you get the def ID? Wait, I have the def ID. I have the def ID of the item. Item owner ID def ID. Key. So pass in the key. Can I debug the map? Please include the methods. If it doesn't, it's not a big deal, but it would be nice if it did. No, it doesn't. But I guess it's fine. So we got the map. I just need the traits themselves. Item. Item is. This requires keys. This requires key. So map uses key associated items or to. So this is gonna be trait key. So I walk through all trait associated items. Assoc items, huh? Other items in definition order. I mean, I don't really care about the order. And it's in this array. Find by, find by, find by. I just need to enter in any order. I guess whatever. Like the thing is, I'm not relying on the definition order. I don't care about the order. I just need this set of items. So item, I can get the def ID. And she's gonna map me to maps def ID. Map dot. Get key item def ID. So that's gonna be debug impl ID. So it's gonna show none and then clone and then none and then clone again. In theory. Or well, order doesn't matter. Clone none, exactly. So now, guess I could do let some else return okay. So it's a match. Just return here, right? And an extra parenthesis. So map associated items. Now we get the item. Now I just need to. So if this is none, then I need to get the trait item. Where's kind? Kind is gonna be so kind const fn. So this function is just gonna. I'm just gonna be. I should just. Huh? Don't tell them. Thank you for the follow. Ah, this breaks up the silence. Wait. Oh right. So I either get by the def ID or use the def ID itself. Now I just need to match tx item. How do you get item? I mean, I guess I can just her item and stuff. I probably should make a function for that. So here I could make a function. The stuff is gonna repeat. CG item. Item's gonna be item ID, and I need item ID from this. Just def ID, def ID. I need item ID from def ID. Def IDs further other associated item stuff. No, I don't think. I need item ID from def ID. And that's just owner ID. And HAR ID. Just these are whatever CG item. That's just gonna take. And I guess I can just copy this function. CG item. So for the singular item, it's gonna be item ID. Yes, HAR. And here it's just gonna be. It's a generic item. For some reason I skip it. Why do I skip it? Why do I skip all generic items, huh? I guess for now. So here idea was just to CG item backend TCX backend item. Come back. Now all of this goes here. What's so wrong? So here, so for regular fan, static and const are also gonna be possible, and global asmers is also gonna be cogent. Now for impl, if it's regular impl, I just impl item. If it's a trait impl, then I need to map trait items. Otherwise impl. Item kind. I guess I have to process this separately somehow for some reason. Because impl item is a different kind of thing. The rate impl item is another different kind of thing. This is going to be a private function. Impl item impl item ID. So gonna take this put it in here, uncommented. So item, somewhere here I screw if generics are not there, also name. Name did which def ID. So here I just pass in name did or name key, I guess. I'm keeping the name key for generics for later. So in here it's simple enough. In here it's basically the same, but in impl, I guess I do need to copy this. So otherwise impl for each item. Impl item ID, I'm just gonna do it CG. This is the Rust. This is the Rust language. Name key is just gonna be item owner ID def ID, or is there like a better way to get it? Nah, owner def ID to def ID. It's gonna be, this is local AR, right? So for the name I'm gonna to def ID it. No, the idea is well, yeah, that's what I've been doing. Key, or I guess I'm gonna specify the keys separately, just like that. So I generics for like declaration purposes. Code gen and impl item is passed separately to correctly distinguish between. Actually, this is gonna be incorrect. It's passed separately to reuse trade names instead of and this is not gonna work. I'm stupid. I mean, is it gonna work? It's gonna be painful. It's gonna be painful. Instead of impl names. Yes, so I'm gonna roll back the name key. This one I keep that. I want to learn Rust. Can I tell you anything? I just watched YouTube. And I guess I read the Rust book, but yeah. I'm not really a reader, so YouTube was more effective. And just make projects. Also borrow checker. With borrow checker in Rust, you just don't borrow for long. When you borrow, you're actually borrowing, and you need to be like, for example, when you're passing a reference to a function, you're borrowing something, and you should return it once you finish executing the function. Rust for the impatience. I mean, I guess maybe that's also. I have not watched this video, but I have watched multiple no boilerplate videos, so probably also good. But yeah, the idea for borrowing is you don't take a reference and then run with it and like store it wherever in your structs, because that's gonna cause you a lot of pain and frustration. Storing references in structs is just it's like you need to think before you do this. It's great. I trust you. What is that? So CG item, it's messy. CG item. I'm just gonna go through in here. I'm just gonna do that. That's what I'm doing here, right? Oh, it's just FID. Oh, whatever. Oh, you're welcome, I guess. Now, here, impl ID. So I need to get the item ID somehow. Um, each year item. So I need item ID somehow. Wait, I'm passing parameters in the wrong order. Back and first an item. I don't need to deref it. So I need to somehow get the item item ID from the ID. I guess trying to or something. Starting to see where this is going. This is not going anywhere. Secured in place. Item def ID for this one. Just def ID, right? Oh, this is a mess. And it doesn't work. Great. How do you actually get the item ID? Like, seriously. And do you really need it? Well, just an owner ID. I guess I can get owner ID easily. Wait, you can't get item from def ID because then def ID is possibly in another crate. Oh my god, this is gonna be such a big problem. Rust, why are you like this? Why are you like this? And we don't even start thinking about crates. This is a mess, I need to reorganize it. I need to restructure it because when I move to multiple crates, it's gonna be such a pain. Because macros will not be able to access crate items because they are already like used. No, not in the local crate anymore. So annoying. I guess I could create default macros. But yeah. Why are rates so hard? Why? Why? So yeah, I'm gonna be. What do I do with this? Something like this with someone using encodable and decodable. Something like what? with encodables and decodables. This is Rust C data structures. This is like stuff internal to the compiler. Nothing here is encoded or decoded. Yeah. Let's make an enum for bool, of course. What do I do with this? I guess I need to make macros for default implementations. Mostly location thing I'm working on. Even then, what would you encode or decode in allocation? But yeah, sure. I think I'm gonna be ending here because I'm literally falling asleep. Let's see if there are any fellow compiler devs. Look, there is one. I don't know. The dude, what's he doing? Yeah, just as always. Like, even Christoph stopped adding the compiler tag to his streams. Whatever. Nigel, rate somebody. Your responsibility. I mean, not really. I'm just pushing everything I'm supposed to do. To my moderator. Which link? That was. What about Eduardo? Hi Synclone, by the way. Which link? So that was just my Twitch. That was just me on Twitch. The channel. Yeah, let me just open. I mean, actually, there's a point. But yeah. Thank you all for joining. I will see you guys next time. Hopefully, I don't know. Maybe I'll stream tomorrow. Maybe I'll game tomorrow. You never know. You never know what the next stream's gonna be about. Thank you, thank you. No worries. See you. Oh, you're ending. Yeah. Gosh, everyone just started spamming in chat, talking in chat when I just decided to end. Oh well. Yeah. Bye. Oh, and join my Discord as well. Tried collapse double time. How was it? Really hit the bug. Collapse double time was fun. Hold on. Nigel later used unrate. Oh well. Something visions. Something new, huh? Oh, that's CTL. Ow. Legs. Why can I not... Dude. Okay, I cannot open the... Huh? Wait, what? I actually cannot click on Discord. Oh, because it's lagging like crazy. Hold on, let me refresh this. You hold on. uh, Discord load. There's gonna be something S++. uh, Playtesting. Oh, there's a video. Do we watch this? Oh, this is a look. Oh, this is difficult. You can see. Oh, whoa, really close here. F. But yeah, it's difficult. Yeah, it looks like quadruple time because like it just gets exponentially harder. Yeah, you almost got it, but it is difficult because everything's fast. This was just your first attempt of flexing again, right? But I mean, so the thing is, uh, when you're playing double time, not only you need to move twice as fast, but also you get half as much space for errors because the bar at the top is decaying like crazy, and so that's the problem. So you're actually like it's actually like quadruple is hard. Just have your brain running at double frame rate. Yeah, exactly. Rate who? That's just unsure. Get the poll running. Mod poll 75. Holy. I'm not voting by the way. Although I could tie it with my two accounts. You can vote twice. Wait, what? I can vote twice. I'm not voting. Or thrice. Oh wait, this is you have channel points enabled. Yeah, sure. Uh it's just like you can vote twice. Specifically twice. Not thrice. Oh yeah, tied. Tied, sure. Nigel, up to you. You're the moderator. No. You're asking me. Now flip a coin. Yeah, flip a coin. I mean, that's just funny. On WhatsApp. What's on WhatsApp? I do actually have WhatsApp, but I never use it. You just get the rating. I can't stay here for longer. I'm gonna fall asleep. Well, actually, maybe not. Actually, by the way, I forgot to resume the music. Whatever. Just cannot be rated. So yeah, we missed. Yeah, that happens. We missed the stream duration of Pi, but whatever. I'll see you guys later. Yeah, I do use Telegram. You can find all my contacts on infinitecoder.org/contact. Although you cannot find my Telegram specifically there, you can find all the channels and Discords. So yeah, I'd suggest going to Discord if you wanna talk to me. Anyway, see you. Need to be fixing this. Ooh.